In this lecture, we will talk about Istio gateways. When we install Istio in a Kubernetes cluster, in addition to the Istio component, two controllers will be created. One is called Istio Ingress Gateway, and the second one is called Istio Egress Gateway. The Istio Ingress Gateway is responsible for all inbound traffic to the microservices, and the Istio Egress Gateway is responsible for all outbound traffic from the microservices. These controllers are similar to the Nginx Ingress controller that we have in Kubernetes, but with more Istio features. Now let's say that we want to configure the Ingress Gateway to accept all the traffic coming from bookinfo.app through the port 80 and using the HTTP protocol. Okay, so we want to configure our Istio Ingress Gateway to accept all the traffic coming from bookinfo.app with these settings. Okay, so how we can do that? We do that by specifying all these configuration in a YAML file. To create a gateway object, for example, we calculate a bookinfo gateway. So this bookinfo gateway object will configure the Istio Ingress Gateway to accept all the traffic matching this configuration. Okay, so the bookinfo gateway object will configure the Istio Ingress Gateway to accept all the traffic matching the configuration that we specify in the YAML file. So a gateway is an Istio object that we create in Kubernetes when working with the Istio Service Mesh to configure the Istio Ingress Gateway. And what you have to know about the Istio Ingress Gateway and the Istio Egress Gateway, that these controllers are also created in Kubernetes using Envoy proxies. Okay, so here we have a proxy container. The same for the Istio Egress Gateway. And we have to know also that these proxy containers are the main containers. Okay, so either for the Istio Ingress Gateway or for the Istio Egress Gateway, the pod is running one container using the Envoy proxy. So that's an overview of Istio gateways. I hope that everything is clear, and thank you very much.